So the title of this video today, it's called building a full rental car using an AI. And actually today I found out about new AI that we're gonna test and see, and I also already generate a prompt that we're gonna use for the purpose of this video. So actually the AI is called Trae. I don't know if I spelled it correctly. It's Trae. So it has an IDE and also a plugin. I was just looking at the documentation to understand how to use it. I downloaded actually already the IDE, so we're gonna set up. So I already gonna link to this AI. So it doesn't have much complicated. What's good about this? Look at the programming languages that is supported. It supported Python, wow, good, Go, C++, PHP. This is for the back end, and for the front end, wow, awesome. So I think this is a very good tool to test, and for people who are using Visual Studio also, I think they have an extension. So but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna use the IDE because I already downloaded it and it's here. I think they have a very good documentation which is very easy for you guys to understand. And okay, so for the prompt of the video, for the project that we're gonna build, I use Cloud.ai to help me summarize. So this is the prompt that we're gonna use. We're gonna call it Zwanski-Rent-Car project prompt. So I think when we're gonna paste it, we need to remove this project prompt. So I think this is very good to start with. So let's start by creating our account. Actually I'm going for the dark language. I'll set it as English. Okay, so here, wow, this is very good. So for people who have cursor as well, I think it's included. This is very good. Import your own Visual Studio or include an extension. So I think since for me I already have a cursor, we're going with the cursor AI. Okay. Oh, so this is just add a command, and in the terminal you could just type 3. Yeah, I will go with that. Login. So I don't have an account yet. We're gonna set an account. Oh good, I'm going with GitHub. Okay, yes, I'm good with that. So we're gonna see what this new AI will do. Okay, I'm fine with that. Okay, login is successful. So before it's logged up, let's try to take our prompt now. Let's try to copy it. Okay, we're gonna make some changes. So oh my god, I really like the interface. Actually, I really like it. Okay, So here I think first thing we need to create. Okay, let's try. We can just test in. I don't have anything in music, so we can call this Zwanski-Rent-Car. Okay, so we can copy this path, which is music. Okay, paste it in the music section. There is music. PC music. Okay, so that's the folder that we're gonna put it in. So I need to copy the path. So now let's try to open the great. So now we're in our folder. We're gonna start the project. Yeah, I agree with it, no problem. So here I think they're just giving us some hints about this hashtag. From the documentation that I was reading, here let me show you what the hashtag means. I think is it here? Yeah, I think it's in the build. Yes, so this hashtag, it says that the AI assistant could understand the context of the current project, including code and files, allowing it to assist you more accurately with your development need, and you can reference code files the project using this hashtag context method alongside with your question and AI assistance. So the point is like so let's say you have a problem in a specific file or folder, so you can use this hashtag to for the AI to actually understand the context, what you're really referring to, so that it can help you to generate and handle the code changes based on your need automatically. This is very good. So without further wasting time, we can now start to test our AI. So Control V, that was the path. Let's copy our prompt again. So here we said we're gonna remove this, and we just need to add more details. So create, can type create me app for this project. Here is the details. So you can just use double quote at the beginning of the prompt and at the end. This is actually optional, but I really like to do this when I'm dealing with AI. So also I see it goes with cloud 3.5 Sonic, and that's good. So let's test it. Okay, here I can see it start by it's gonna use a React base. Now so now it's creating the React project using TypeScript. Wow. So here is the command, and I think this is really good. So it's just simple. You just now create. Oh my god, I really like it. So can we open the folder? Yes, I'm good with this. So here I think in the folder we will see it says it could take some couple of minutes. I'm good with that. Oh, so the server. Okay, so while this loading, we will still go back to the documentation. Okay, so here it says all code handle in multiple files, accept or reject. So you have this option that if you think the code the AI generated for you it's not correct or doesn't suit, you have the option to either reject or accept it. That's good. I think for people who use cloud and Akuso, it's similar, but I didn't try this. I'm really curious to see what this AI could do. Yeah. It's still generating. So I can see actually it's already creating the modules. Here are the modules and the JSON file that's already been created. Let's set it to private too. Okay. Actually, this is not hard to use, believe me, guys. I think with this AI, you can build anything you want, any project. Oh my god, it's even I think we really need to try this. Once the AI has, when the AI has completed, it will prompt you to either preview. That's good. It's still loading. Oh my god. It's installing React, React DOM, React script with a template. I'm curious to see what this template is. So I can't use Ctrl C on the terminal. Maybe it will terminate the terminal. So I can just type it. What is it called? Type in script. Let's try to check this. Ctrl T to open new tab. V. Okay, I have a lot of tabs open, so I'm gonna close this cloud here. We don't need it anymore. The email and this I may need it later. So I'm gonna give it a new folder here. And this is my YouTube dashboard. I don't need it too. So all we need is those tabs. What is wrong? Is it my internet? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have a very bad PC, it just crashes. Oh my god, you can't believe it's crashed. Chrome, it's taking too much of my RAM. Hey, let me try to take down some stuff. I'm gonna try to disable all those apps. So I think we need to generate again. Let's try to run the command. Processes. Let's take down Adobe, Video Media, ADB, I'm using it. Yeah, I'm good with that. I really like Chrome, but the way it consumes RAM, it's crazy. I don't know if I can use Brave to go back to that AI. We can. No, I don't need you know. So what is it called? Try. I'm curious about the documentation actually. Not community docs. So the way to download the AI, just when you go to the link, you can just click on download here. You have more options. It support Mac and Windows and Linux as well. So for the Linux, you could just type your email and join the whitelist. So what I'm curious here, it's about the shortcut. Let's check again. What happened? So, oh, what's good here? We have an error, so you have this plus option to send it to the AI to check what went wrong. Oh, it says that I see you are trying to create a React Act, but you are encountering an issue. Let's fix it by removing the files. Okay. Let's remove it. Now, oh, so you know, first time when we start, okay. Okay, let's run it again. What is going on? Because I have a very bad PC that I always hate to use an IDE. Maybe we could use their online AI generator. Can't believe it's still crashing. Contains. Oh my god. So let's try to do it manually. Delete those files. Because I'm very sure this is the problem. Let me clear the terminal. Or we could create a new folder. I think it's finished. So let's try to let's run the command again. This is the first command. So what actually happened is, when I started to install the React project, the IDE crashes. So that's why. So there was a folder, the JSON file. You see this JSON file and the other module file. So that was the problem. I'm just curious about this. I can see from the app, it's using app route and the theme. We have a home page, the vehicle details and the booking, admin. It's gonna be great, but actually it's my PC that is slower. It shouldn't have take much time like this. It says this basic set of you would like me to continue implementing stuff like so we need to take note because we're gonna integrate all this stuff. So I'm gonna open Sublime Text, my favorite text editor. Sublime, yes. No, yeah, Sublime. Can't believe this computer is like, I don't want to do much. Think I can open Sublime from here. Okay, let's fire Sublime now. Is it running? Yeah, okay. So here is, let's add here, let's call them features integrations for Zwanski-Rent-Car. Let's remove this. So let me know which of the part you would like me to start. The current structure, TypeScript, UI responsive, Act. It says let me know which of the part you would like me to focus on. I will provide the implementation details. The current structure details are, so this is what he's already building now. Okay, so and this was the errors that we were having, but now Let's see for in the folder. Oh my god, I think it's still creating the modules because and I have a very bad PC. That's why it's taking much time. Okay, so this is the shortcut. It's a bit similar for Mac OS users and Windows as well. Control L is for select a new line, Control Z to undo. Okay. Oh, to actually access the command line, you just do Control Alt backslash. Go to definition. You on Windows is Windows F12. Control F12 to trigger the auto completion. Global changes. To manage the keyboard. Okay, for people who always like to customize keyboard, this is great. This is great. So I think it's now installing the template in dependencies. It's actually using npm. So npm, for people who don't know what an npm is, let me show you. Oh my god. So npm, so this is npm. It's actually a javascript. It's just some people. Oh my god, why this keep crashing me? I don't like to do that. You see, let's disable this. Why is it blocking my IP? So it's just an open source. You see, it's a package manager for JavaScript programming. So the partner, and it's also open source like GitHub. Oh my god, I couldn't reach this. What's going on here? Okay, so it was this Brave trying to. So it was been launched in 2022. It has over 2.1 million package that will be listed in the registry, and it's very simple to use. You just do npm install in your shell. It has also a very good documentation here. So let's go back to our, it's still loading. It's taking much time. I'm just curious to see how this app will gonna look like. Why? It's taking too much time. Oh my god. Do you see how CPU is going? 100%. That's amazing. Can I see if they have... What the hell is wrong with this? Yes. Not download actually. Let's close it. I don't want to fire Chrome again. It's coming. Let's but why it's keep blocking my IP here? Okay, it's simple. We can just do Control Shift N. I'm very sure it's the cookies. I need to erase some of my cookies. And you know the project is also under development, so come on, it's not loading. So let's wait and see. But I really like the interface. It's for people who are familiar with the VirtualBox Studio. It's kind of similar. It has robot.txt. This is our app. It's already generating the... This is logo. Okay. This is a preview. So this is a button to get the preview actually. Okay, we're gonna need this later. And here is their extensions. And wow, it also support Docker. This is great. So it's already created the logos and an icon. This is the CS file. The CSS is already created. The app route. Let's see. Oh, it's even having a readme file. Yeah, I know. We're gonna test it on localhost. And it's also an open source. How long this gonna take? Let's exit this terminal. So the sources. So without any knowledge of coding, nowadays you can create anything you want. So let's stick around and just wait. I was just wondering, I know. So what went wrong is after the AI, this actually did crash here. Oh, I know, antivirus is come on. What the? I'm very sure I need to use a VPN. Let's try to run a VPN.